mask management. Welcome to our guide on proper face mask management. Knowing the right way to wear, take off, clean, and store your face mask is essential to maintaining its effectiveness in reducing virus transmission. Proper way to wear a face mask. Step 1. Before putting on your face mask, wash your hands with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer with alcohol. Step 2. Avoid touching the face mask while wearing it. If you do touch it accidentally, wash or sanitize your hands immediately. Step 3. Make sure your mask covers your nose, mouth, and chin completely. There should be no gaps at the edges of the mask. Step 4. Remember, face masks should never be shared with anyone. Proper way to take off a face mask. Step 1. Again, wash your hands with soap and water or use hand sanitizer before removing your mask. Step 2. Remove the mask by handling the ear bands only. Avoid pulling it under your chin to prevent contamination. Step 3. Once the mask is off, fold it inwards so that the part that touched your mouth is inside. Step 4. For disposable masks, roll it up, wrap it in tissue, and place it in a sealed bag. Step 5. Dispose of used face masks and filters in a yellow trash bin. Cleaning reusable face masks. Step 1. Wash your reusable mask between uses. Use hot water for natural materials like cotton. Step 2. Use regular laundry detergent. Step 3. Ensure the mask is completely dry by setting the dryer to a hot setting. Storing reusable face masks. Fold your reusable mask inward, with the side that touched your mouth facing in. Store it in a dry place. If using a plastic bag, include desiccated gel to absorb moisture and keep the mask dry. Always bring extra masks and filters with you, placing them in a sealed bag. Have another sealed bag for used masks and filters to avoid cross-contamination. Label your bags to prevent confusion. Always remember to wash your reusable face masks between uses to ensure they remain effective. Thank you for watching. For more safety tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.